So, ladies and gentlemen, it's finally here. So, researchers at Yale have finally cracked the element of life. Life as we know it is about to change because the research has just revealed that cells that we previously thought could never be brought back to life can be brought back to life. This is groundbreaking technology and research that has just been released today, Wednesday, and it's by Yale University. So the new research is confounding conventional wisdom about life and death as we know it. So researchers at Yale used the new technology to restore cells in some organs of pigs that had just died, bringing the animal's cells back to function. The finding, which were published today, raised profound ethical questions about how medicine defines death, but also teases new possibilities for the collection of human organs for transplant. So the research is still in its early days, experiment phase, and many years from potential use in humans. It could ultimately help to extend the lives of people whose hearts have stopped beating or who have suffered a stroke. The technology also shows potential to dramatically shift how organs are collected for transplant and increase their availability to patients in need. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is amazing. So, when the heart stops beating, blood flow is cut off from the body in a process called ischemia, and cascade of biochemical effects begin. Oxygen and nutrients are cut off from the tissue. Cells begin to die. It's a path towards death that causes damage that scientists have considered irreversible in the past. So the new research challenges that idea. The demise of cells can be halted. So Dr. Nemad Sastin, a professor of neuroscience at the Yale University of Medicine, an author of the new research, said during a news conference today, we restored some functions of cells across multiple organs that should have been dead. So the Yale research accomplishes this feat by constructing a system of pumps, sensors, and tubing that connect to the pig's arteries. They also develop a formula with 13 medical drugs that can be mixed with blood and then pumped into the animal cardiovascular system. The research builds on previous work at Yale, which demonstrated that some damage to brain cells could be reversible after blood flow was cut off. So Yale has filed a patent right for this technology. Of course, they have to, but it makes its method and protocols free available for academics or non-profit use, and the study says. So to evaluate how well the system called Organ X works, the researchers caused heart attacks in pigs that have been euthanized. The pigs were dead for an hour, and the researchers cooled their bodies and used their neuroinhibitors to ensure the animals did not regain consciousness during the subsequent experiments. Then the researchers began to use Organ X system. They compared its performance against ECM, or a life support technology used in hospitals today, in which a machine oxygenates blood and circulates it throughout the body. So Organ X restores circulation and prompted the repair of damaged cells. For example, the scientists saw heart cells construct and electrical activities return. Other organs, including kidneys, also showed improvement, the study says. So the pigs treated with Organ X startled researchers. During the experimentation, the body of dead pigs' heads and necks moved using their own power. The animals remained under heavy euthanasia. We can say that animals were not conscious during the moment, and we don't have enough information to speculate why they moved. So this is absolutely groundbreaking news, especially in the medical world. You know, it's amazing, especially because this same technology would be used to kind of regenerate cells in humans, therefore enabling humans to live longer than they do now. You know, we as a humanity, we definitely need something like this. I am so excited, and I'm happy to let you guys know that, yeah, life as we know it might be changing, and this is due to science. Yeah, so initially we thought dead cells would never be brought back to life, but now it seems we are able to bring their cells back to life. It's amazing. So yeah, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. I'll be bringing you some of this hot news, and thank you very much.